Guess what just arrived? Yes, my external SSD from Sandisk. I've been waiting for this thing for so long. I'm so hyped that it finally arrived. So yeah, let's just quickly do an unbox. Well, technically I already unboxed it. Like, as you see that the box Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. I really like the color theme, and Sandisk pretty reliable. I use it for pretty much every storage when it comes to my camera setup. So on my Sony, I'm running a Extreme Pro 64GB SD card, and also on my Canon, I'm running a 64 something. It's not Extreme Pro, but it's like blue, red and white. That's a TF card from a drone, but I put it in like a SD card adapter, so it can also fit in the normal camera. I use Sandisk for pretty much everything, and now here's one more member. So as soon as you open the box, you will see this tiny little thing here. I mean tiny. This is literally tiny. Comparing to my hands, what is this, man? What is this? To give you more comparable device, this is my Logitech G305, and look at this. They're basically the same size, and it's even a bit smaller than the mouse. When you just knock at it, listen to this. This is very well protected. On the back you can feel it's rubber, it's very well protected. According to what they say, it is waterproof, but I'm not that dare to test it out yet, so maybe one day I will know how useful it is, but hopefully that day wouldn't come. Now beneath that, there is the safety and warranty guide. I think I should probably read this in case something went wrong, and it's always best to just keep all your storage safe, to see if they can recover it whatsoever. Now beneath that, I already unboxed this the cable. So this is basically USB-C male to male, and also it comes with a USB-A adapter, so in case some device doesn't have enough USB-C ports, you can just put the adapter in, and you can put it in the USB-C-A port. Yeah, now let's put this bad boy into my computer and let's see some testing. Already came up. So I'm gonna import my recent YouTube video project. It's 24.4 gigabytes big, and let's see how long it takes. Let's go. Oh my, 350 megabytes per second. That's quite fast. That's really fast. Okay, that went kind of fast. It just finished transferring the file, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this external SSD to a laptop to see if there's gonna be any lags. Well, if you're wondering why is the screen black, because there were some technical difficulties, so the footages that I recorded doesn't have any audio until I was editing today, and I'm like, damn. And I tried all the ways, and there's just no way. So I just kind of deleted the footage. But what happened afterwards is that I just plugged the external SSD into my computer that is behind the camera right now to test it out. There might be some difference comparing to editing on a laptop or on this gaming PC, but we're testing the performance of the SSD, right? Not like the performance of the device. So I mean, it kind of affects, but the part that affects doesn't contribute to our experiment. So yeah, hope you can understand and keep watching the video. In case you don't know, today's already the second day. I actually already edited part of this video. So you see here, these are basically like the arrow part of this video that you just saw. Small screen multicam setup. And yeah, when I was editing on this yesterday, I kind of forgot that I'm editing on this little bad boy here, because it's just so fast that it's pretty much the same as my internal SSD inside of my computer. When you just scrub through it, these are not even proxies. Like when I'm scrubbing through them, like this, they don't lag at all. Like just look. So yeah. Any final words? I think this is like a must-have for basically every content creator, because at one point you really just gonna travel a bit, and even if you don't travel, like it's always safe to have like 2 or 3 places where you store the same footage, the same file, in case one device went wrong and it broke, and you can just always go to another one. And if you want to see like more of a detail how I organize my media, all my footages, where I store them, how I plan it, like my folder structure, feel free to comment down in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's basically what I have to say about this review. And consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.